The reason why it's called the execution engine is because planning is easy. The execution is the hard part. So I can give you as much information as possible. I can talk about things, you can write things down, you can write down your goals, your ambitions, your dreams, and whatever else, but you have to talk about the execution. So what are the steps or the stages that you need to make in order to make that happen? And that's what we're going to talk about in this video. So who is this video for? I know we're talking about, yes, Q1, starting off Q1 well, but who this video is for anybody who is thinking that just bury their head now until the end of the year and hope we'll worry about the rest in Q1 and just hope that it all works out well.